Welcome to the CUPD Crime Data Dashboards. One showing calls for service on campus, including those initiated by emergency calls from citizens as well as calls initiated by officers. The second dashboard shows incidents reported to CUPD, including incident type and location. Here's how to navigate and interpret the information you're seeing. The Calls for Service dashboard represents calls for service for the last 7 days by default, and this date range can be changed by the user. Calls for service are separate from incident and crime reports, which can be found by clicking here. You can select Call Type from a drop-down menu here, and select the date range you'd like to view by clicking here. You can learn more about each call here, including incident number, call type, and response date. General location is also provided, but specific addresses are obscured to protect privacy. In the bottom left corner below this table, you can click the Date and Time Details tab to see calls by hour of day and day of week. Again, click here to view specific incidents. On this screen, the Police Incidents dashboard, you can select incident type from a drop-down menu here and select a date range here. Here you can see the top incident types within the selected date range. You can click on an incident type to zoom in on the campus map to see where all of the incidents of that type took place within the date range selected. Below this table, you can click the Location Details tab to see top incident locations. If you would like more information on a specific incident, you can click here to reach the CUPD Records Department. Here is a glossary of terms to help you better understand common police terminology. This also exists on the Police Incidents page in the same place. If you click here, you'll get to the CUPD website, where we have crime prevention and campus safety tips, including a series of videos on how, when, and why we send out alerts and other types of notifications. Information may change as we investigate. Media should verify all information through CUPD's Public Information Officer or by requesting a report prior to sharing the information publicly. As always, call or text 911 in an emergency. CUPD is a full-service police department open 24/7 on campus. Thank you.